Hi, I'm Ganda Cooker again, and finally the Steam Deck is done! Wow, I'm so excited. You too?
Yeah.
What's so lame? Oh, okay. Okay, the Steam Deck is done. Ta-da! It's good, right? Okay, look. And we have some special ingredients. Look. We put them. And the last of all is that oil again.
Then the
Whoa! Yeah, oh, oops. What can I do? Wait a sec. I can put them all.
no! Look,
I know. I'll put a little of them. Whoa. It's very confusing. The real cook is not. And look, this is over. And when we taste it, I think it will pretty good. What could we do? Get a towel. Eugene. And I think it tastes good too. Look. Let's see. Hey, get a spoon for you too. I'm gonna taste it. Get a spoon for you. Now let's taste them. Get a bite. Good. Okay, eat it later. Good. When you make at home this, you might taste good. When this video is over, you can make one and eat one. It's very tastes good, right? I think we should eat them all today. Let's go to the cooker. Bye. Bye.